Okay, let us proceed now for the implicit differentiation. First, we have the implicit function. Implicit functions. Now, for the implicit function, an equation f of x and y equal to 0 on perhaps certain restricted ranges of the variable is said to define y implicitly as a function of x. Okay, example. Okay, number 1, the equation xy plus x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 with the condition that your x is not equal to 2. Okay. Xy minus 2y. Transpose your x and 1 to the right side. Therefore, that is positive 1. Kasi diba, minus 1 magiging positive 1. Positive x, when you transpose it, negative x. Then get for the common factor. The common factor here is y. Therefore, that is x minus 2 equal to y minus x, where y now is equal to 1 minus x over x minus 2. Okay. We look for the equation of y under the implicit functions. Okay. Then, number 2 example. Okay. Given is 4x squared plus 9y squared minus 36 equal to 0. Okay, therefore we have 9y squared, transpose your 36 and 4x squared to the right side. Therefore, that is positive 36 minus 4x squared. Okay, we have 9y squared. Common factor of 36 and 4, we have 4. We have 9 minus x squared. Then, divide both members to get for your y squared. Divide both members by 9. Okay, therefore, we have y squared is equal to 4 over 9. 9 minus x squared. To get for your y, square root natin both sides. Okay, therefore, we have raised to 1/2. Therefore, we have y is equal to square root of 4 over 9 times quantity 9 minus x squared. Remember that 4 and 9 is a perfect square. Therefore, y is equal to square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 9 is 3. Kaya we have y is equal to 2/3 square root of 9 minus x squared. Yan, may equation na tayo for y. Now, let us proceed now for the derivative. Now, the derivative y prime may be obtained by one of the following procedure. Letter A, solve when possible for y and differentiate with respect to x. Except for a very simple equation, this procedure is to be avoided. Letter B, thinking of y as a function of x, differentiate the given equation with respect to x and solve the resulting relation for y prime. This differentiation process is known as the implicit differentiation. Okay, let us try to solve this one. Okay, example. Okay, find for y prime. Find y prime. If the given is x, y plus x minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Remember, the given is xy plus x minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 with the condition of finding the first derivative, which is y prime. Okay. Remember that your xy is under the product formula. Ano ba product formula natin? You have uv is equal to, diba, derivative daw ng uv. Therefore, that is equal to v du plus u dv. Okay. Eto muna tayo. You have your v, which is y, and the derivative of x is y. plus yung yun natin which is x, and then the derivative of y is y prime. And then next, this one, we have plus, the derivative of x is 1, kasi may y prime na tayo, di ba? When you say y prime, that is equal to the derivative of y with respect to x. Kung ginawa ko tong dy, of course, this one will become dx. At saka ito magiging dx. Since ang ginamit ko is y prime, no need to write down your dx kasi your y prime is equal now to dy over dx. Then, get for the derivative of this one. Therefore, that is negative 3. Kopyahin lang natin yung 3 kasi numerical coefficient siya. Di ba? Remember the formula for CB? Yung constant multiplied by the variable para sa derivative. Therefore, negative 3. And the derivative of y is y prime minus, what is the derivative of this one is 0. Kaya no need to write down. Equal to 0. Then, pagsamahin natin yung factor na may, yung factor na may y prime para makuha natin yung common factor. Xy prime minus 3y prime. Tapos yung walang y prime, i-transpose natin sa right side, which is y, at saka negative y, at saka itong minus 1. Common factor is y prime. That is x minus 3 equal to negative y minus 1. Tapos, divide both members by x minus 3 para mawala yung x minus 3 dito. Okay, therefore, we have y prime is equal to negative y minus 1 over x minus 3. Ito yung example 1 natin. And this one is the answer. Okay, example 2. Number 2 example. Okay, number 2. Okay, what if the given is 4x squared plus 9y squared minus 36 equal to 0. Okay, find for y prime, the first derivative. Okay, we have a power formula. We have 8x plus this one 10y y prime, then the derivative of this one is 0 equal to 0. Where y prime now is 10y y prime is equal to negative 8x. Negative 8x or y prime is equal to negative 8x over 10y. Okay, we have to simplify. Remember that your 8 and 10 is multiple of 2. Pwede pa siya, di ba? Therefore, your y prime now is equal to negative 4 over 5 or x over 5y. That is now your the final answer.